Now let's work with some built-in classes of Java, such as local date and as you can see, it works on the same principle, right? Except for that local date doesn't have a constructor. Rather, to grab the today's date, we use the local dates built-in function now and make sure you organize your imports because local date belongs to java.time package. And of course, there are better ways of displaying the time, such as you can say time dot get hour. And that will be a better depiction of time. Okay. Similarly, I can say today dot get year, or sorry, I can start with get month and then slash separate today dot get day of the month. So get month actually gives you named month. If you want a valued month, then you can do get month value. So here you go. May 18th, 2022.